Welcome you all. In this video, we are going to discuss about one sample t-test. The one sample t-test can only compare the mean of a single sample to a constant. It is unable to compare the sample means of two or more groups. We have to use an independent sample t-test or one-way ANOVA to compare means of two or many groups to each other. Formula for one sample t-tests. T is equal to x bar minus mu divided by s x bar. To calculate s x bar, the formula is s x bar is equal to s divided by root 1, where mu is equal to the proposed constant for the population mean, that is population mean. N is equal to sample size, that is number of observations used in our study. S is equal to sample standard deviation. df degrees of freedom, that is n minus 1. That means number of observations minus 1. X bar is equal to sample mean, s x bar estimated standard error of the mean, that is s divided by square root into n. Next one, when can use the t-tests? First condition, the test variable is continuous, that is our data should be interval or ratio type of data and independent. That means values are not related to one another. Second condition, data should come from random population. Third one, dependent variable should be approximately normally distributed. Fourth one, there should be no significant outliers. These are the four conditions to use one sample t-tests. Next one, what are the steps to perform a one sample t-test in Excel? First one, to calculate the average of the sample. Second one, calculate the standard deviation. Third one, calculate the number of observation, that is total number of samples. Calculate the standard error of the mean. Fifth one, calculate the degrees of freedom, that means n minus 1. Calculate the t statistics. Seventh step, calculate the p value, then accept or reject the hypothesis. These are the 8 steps want to perform while calculate t-test in Excel. Now we move to Excel. In that we can see how to calculate t-statistics in Excel. Now we are going to discuss about how to calculate t-statistics in Excel. So here we have 50 samples which is collected from a particular village, that is baby's birth weight of a particular village. Now we are going to calculate t-statistics using this data. Now let us take the average baby's birth weight is here. Now we are going to compare this mean with population mean, that is average Indian baby weight of 2.8 kg. Now this is mu, that is population mean. Here we have average weight of babies born in a particular village. So the hypothesis is there is no difference between average weight of babies born in a particular village and an average Indian baby weight of 2.8 kg, that is HO is equal to mu minus mu 0. Alternative hypothesis is there is difference between average weight of babies born in particular village and and average Indian baby weight of 2.8 kg. So here we have two hypotheses. So now we can move to calculation. So total number of samples, that is n, 50. So we have 50 observations. Next one, sample mean weight in kgs. Now we want to calculate sample mean. So here this is the sample, we want to find out mean for this. The formula for sample mean equal to average B22 B51, B22 B51. So we can get 2.9 as a sample mean, 2.8 kg as a population mean. Standard deviation is equal to B2, again B2 to P51. We can get standard deviation of 0.406. Next, standard error mean equal to standard deviation divided by square root of sample mean. So with this we can get 0.057 formula here. The next one, degrees of freedom, that is n minus 1. N is 50 minus 1, 49. Then this is mu, average Indian baby weight, that is population weight, population mean 2.8 kg. Then T statistics. T statistics formula is equal to F6 minus F10 divided by F8, that is sample mean minus mu, that is population mean, divided by standard error mean. So we can get 2.54y. This is the T value. Next one, P. T distribution equal to F11 minus F9 comma 2. That is called T distribution. So here 2 means we are using two tails test. That means there is no difference between average weight. So in this case we are using two tail test. So here we are using 1, 2. In case we are using one tail test, we want to use 1. So two tail test, the value is 0.014. So now we want to decide either we are going to accept the HO or reject the HO. The decision is the P value is 0.014, that is less than the significance level of 0.05. Hence the null hypothesis rejected. So there is a significant difference between the weight of the babies born in the village compared with the national average. So we conclude that the babies born in the particular village is not equal to average weight of Indian babies. So this is a simple method for calculating one sample t-test using Excel. Thank you for watching.